Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you for supporting the channel this year. Whether you're automating your entire house, or still trying to figure out why that one automation chooses the middle of the night to throw a tantrum, you're definitely not alone. Thank you for watching, commenting, and being part of this smart home journey. And to those who celebrate, I wish you a very Merry Christmas. Hope Santa knows your IP address. To everyone, enjoy a relaxing holiday season. And try not to break your automations. And remember, if anything goes wrong today, don't worry, blame Christmas, Rudolph, the elves, or even Santa. May your logs be clean, your Zigbee network stable, and your new year fully automated. See you in the next video.